I'm Cyka Niki and welcome back to my channel. Today is my first unboxing video. So, if you want to know what's inside of the box that I'm going to open today, so keep watching. So today I will be unboxing the kit that was given to us at the Beauty Bound Asia event last September 5, and I'm so lucky that I am one of the semi-finalists. Ah yes. Okay. So this is the bag. This is the bag. Okay. Well, we're going to start. First, I'm going to let you see the box. This is the inside. You can see there's instruction, and as you can see, don't open until you're ready to film. We're going to do it right now. Right now. This is the guidelines, and it says Beauty Bound Asia powered by SK2 on YouTube. So this says read me first. Unboxing. This is the guidelines. Unboxing challenge. Very nice. Hajimemashou. Okay. So first, I'm going to open this one. Oh, sorry. Wow. Wow. What's this? Oh, goodies! I love goodies. I love goodies. Let's start with the boxes inside. Tadaan! I wonder what this is. So this is a box, an empty box, and then I believe we can use this as a tissue holder, right? We're going to place a tissue here and then use it whenever you like. Okay. If your face is oily or something, you can put tissue in your face. Next is, wow. Another box. Maybe we can use this as an organizing box. Next. What's this? I'm so excited to open it. Are you ready? Oh, I'm ready. We're going to open it together. I wonder. Wow. Oh, sorry. Wow, see? What's this? Wow. Pitera essence set. And let me check. Oh. Wow, what's this? Facial treatment clear lotion. See? Wow. And this one, the packaging is very great. See? It's very nice. The packaging is very nice. I love the packaging. And I love the packaging of the product itself. It's, wow, amazing. Amazing. This one is facial treatment essence. Facial treatment essence. Okay, so it is. Okay. Wow, do you see it? Okay. This one as well. Okay. Oh, I love this. I really wanted to have Essence Japanese brand because as you know, Japanese products are, when it comes to quality, wow, they're awesome. So that's why I like their beauty products. Let's try to use this. Lotion. Today I'm having my makeup, so I will be placing um, some drops in here. Wow, I love the smell. Mm. Mm. Ah, it's it's liquid, so nice on skin. Wow, it's so hydrating. So hydrating. So hydrating. Wow. We're going to try this one, this essence. Let's see how to open it. Oh, I see. Wow. Packaging is really, really nice. I can guarantee you. Glass. Okay, let's try. Usually what I do to essence, I just place something in my palm and then put it on my skin. Wow, refreshing. Essence lacks in moisture in your face, so it's very good. It's very good to your face. It's very hydrating. And maybe I will use this. I will really use it. Wait. The smell is the same smell. The same smell. They're having the same smell. How can I say? I love the smell. When I'm going to smell it, it will really, um, maybe I can, the word that will comes in my mind is a classic scent. Classic scent, yes, classic scent. Okay, so we're done with this. And next, wow, what's this? Facial treatment mask. Today I'm not going to open this because as you know, facial treatment masks, all of them are hydrating. This is intended to hydrate our skin if ever we really feel dry. So basically for me, I'm going, especially every weekend. So I really need this. I really need to treat myself, pamper my skin. Okay, go. Next, let me see. Oh, oh. SK2 RNA Power Radical New Age. Wow. Radical New Age. Let's open what's inside. Packaging is very nice. Glossy. Okay, let's open it. Voila! Wow! I don't know, there's a little spatula, I don't know, spatula. I think we're going to use this to get the products inside. So, what's inside is this. Wow, wow, I really like the packaging. Wow. I believe you're going to like this as well. Packaging is very, very nice. See? Let me check. Let me open it. Okay? Sorry. I broke. Ah, there's a seal. Okay, I'm so sorry. Sorry. And then there's a small cover. Very nice. Wow, so creamy. I believe this is a moisturizer. I think moisturizer. So let me try to get small amount. Where's the spatula? Spatula. Oh, I'm here. Spatula. Help, spatula. Ah, sorry. Spatula is very useful. Let me just get here. Let's try. And maybe we're going to try. Oh, moisturizer. Moisturizer. This is a moisturizer. Sorry, I need to be honest. This is the first time that I met this kind of moisturizer. Forgive me for being so ignorant when it comes to this. This is the first time that I have this product. So that's why I'm so sorry. But for me, basically I applied my moisturizer. I'm going to use my finger and then apply a small amount into my face, and then just blend it into your face gently, and then massage your face so that it will be able to penetrate on your face even more. So by massaging your face, the product will be more effective as well. So I believe this is a moisturizer. Yes, as what I have mentioned, I am using my bare hands to place moisturizer on my face. But for this, I believe to avoid contamination, because we're going to use this, I believe this will really take months or 2-3 months to use, because there's a lot of it. See? And it's very nice. I'm going to use it. Just a trivia, you need to set moisturizers in your face 3 to 5 minutes before applying makeup. So wow. They have the same smell. Thank you. Done with it? Thank you, Orishi. Okay, so we're moving in with let me see. Wow! There's another one inside. Let's open it. Sorry. Wow! It's so cute! Allah, very cute. Wow, so cute. The packaging is the same. It has a glossy box, just like a medicine. What's that? What's that? I don't. Dropper. Sorry, sign of aging. But this one as well is RNA Power Radical New Age Essence. Let us open it, okay? Sorry, there's a seal. Open. Oh, lastly, I got the sticker. Wow. Wow. They have the same smell actually. Classic smell, as what I have mentioned. I wonder how to use this. I know there's an essence. This one. And this one is an essence as well. Oh. This one is more on liquid, more on watery. This one is more on cream, yes. See? The consistency is very nice. Oh, wow. So that one, the other essence that I showed you is liquid. This one is more on a little bit creamy, just like creamy milk, but so nice on the skin. Oh, my skin feels very, very smooth. One last check. Yes, very, very nice. And let me check. Oh, so that is the last product that is inside. So I'm going to let you see for proof. So, sorry. No more, no more, no more. Okay, so that's the last thing, and then wow, all of the products were so amazing, and I'm very, very happy. It was a great privilege to have those products. Those products are amazing. I believe so because they're all made in Japan. So thank you so much, Beauty Bound Asia, and thank you so much YouTube. Thank you so much for SK. Thank you so much. 本当にありがとうございました。さあ本当に嬉しいんです。And I hope that I will be able to make it in the finals. Okay, so that's it for now. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy everything that I said in this video. If you like, please give me a thumbs up, and then please leave a comment below. Just tell me anything you wanted to say. It's okay, I'm very open for that. And please do not forget to subscribe. Okay, bye bye for now. Mwah.